It's funny how TV and YouTube have shaped how we think about the great outdoors. The shows like Survivor Man and Man vs. Wild have taught us that people and nature must be survived. Nature is dangerous. Only the strong will survive out there. YouTube channels also promote this way of thinking. I know why they do it. YouTube is more about getting views and likes than it is about promoting nature. They use exaggerated titles like I camped alone for 3 days in the backcountry, hiking in the mountains solo in the dark, living off the grid with just an axe. All of these videos add to the misunderstanding that nature must be survived. Anyone who has spent an enormous amount of time in the great outdoors know that what's being promoted in these videos is not entirely true. Yes, there are dangers, there are bears, thin ice can break, there are storms that will make you run for cover, but the majority of time you can just enjoy and be in nature. You don't have to chop down a tree to make a shelter. You can just bring a tent or a chair to sit on. You don't have to eat grass and leaves for food. You can just bring food with you. You don't have to kill and eat every bug that wanders by. You can just let them live their life in nature and enjoy them for yourself. If you check the weather beforehand, you can dress appropriately and be prepared. You will not die if it starts to rain or snow. In fact, the more you enjoy nature, the more you will start to feel at home in it. Instead of surviving nature, nature will become life for you. Come and enjoy the great outdoors with me.